Turn Me On 2024. This is a perfect allegory to the way the world is going currently. Giddy aunt. It's awful. Unbelievable. I find it really difficult to ground myself. This is a dystopian film about eradicating emotion. There's a place in this film where people are encouraged to take a vitamin pill, a vitamin pill as it's called. The organisation is called Our Friends, and it really fits in with the Big Brother playbook of a dystopian society. However, as most of us know now, it's very easy to be hoodwinked into accepting authoritarianism. It seems to be happening very much all over again in the USA. This film stars Bel Powley, whom I first saw in Diary of a Teenage Girl 2015. I love that. I've seen her in a few films since then. There was a film in which she starred as Margaret, the Queen's sister. It's great to see her on screen once again. Bel Powley plays Joy. There's irony. I guess it was chosen as an ironic name because Joy is not part of any of these the people who've elected to incinerate their personal memories and start taking this vitamin every day and live very simple lives, very controlled lives. They get paired up, assigned each other. There's couples, and of course it's all cis and straight, and they meet in cohorts, so there's a sort of artificial friendship group, these cohorts, and it's very normative, heteronormative. Unbelievable, but very believable. It's drilled into everyone right from the start that they need to take this tablet to give the essence of the story. Belle is diagnosed with cancer. She goes to a scan and she gets shown the x-rays and told that these particular nodules are cancer. These spikes on her spine need removing, and for the procedure she will need to come off her vitamin tablet for one day only. There's a scene at one point a bit later on where Joy reveals to her cohorts, the friendship group, that she's stopped taking her tablets, and one of the chaps drops his VR headset. That's equivalent to dropping a dish or a bowl, dropping crockery, I suppose, in so many films. But in this case, because they don't really eat ordinary food, they get these feeder packs, plastic pouches with a straw tube, and they just suck at that. Oh gosh, there's no joy, there's no food. Gosh, I remember in the 70s watching predictions about the year 2000, and people would say, oh, we'll be just having a pill then rather than a meal, and that was delivered as if it was a good thing. And yet food is one of those things most of us look forward to. Sure, some people struggle with eating disorders. That is not fun. However, a lot of people enjoy eating. I very much hope those people with eating disorders find a way out, because food is delightful. Meals, something to really enjoy. There's another aspect. There's the expectation. Everyone is cis and straight. You can see what's happening in the USA right now. There may be a queer theme, gay theme, at some point explored in this film. It's simple messaging. Their greeting to each other is, are you content? It's totally sanitized. People meet up with each other. I am content. That is it. It's not, how are you? Oh, I've got a bit of a twinge in my knee or whatever. I mean, I know people turn off when some people say, how are you? Right, don't really want to hear your answer. However, we are at liberty to answer, and yet in this film, it's being cut out. They are like drones, like zombies, androids, humanoid androids, devoid of feeling, and feeling is so important. It's very much corporate management speak. There's words like pleasant used a lot. May you have a pleasant day. As stories develop, as you may guess, there is some challenge to this rule. Joy doesn't take her tablet, and she feels different, and things start to change. She manages to persuade her partner, but will she be able to get any further? Will she be able to persuade the cohort? As I said, there's a scene where she tells the other two couples that she stopped taking her tablets. I'll leave it at that, where I don't go any further, so I don't give any spoilers, but there's this scene where they go on holiday and they go down to a place by the sea, and Joy walks down to the coast whilst the others say, "Why are you going down there? There's water in this building and it's safer." Oh, I love that it's a romantic comedy, but a dark comedy. It's a very black comedy in a sense, and it is beautifully put together. I loved it. I think it's a must-see for anyone who wants to see a modern update of all of dystopian films from the past, because this is a very, very recent one, updated with VR headsets, and that's their entertainment. That's all I'm going to say. I think I'll give it 9 out of 10. It's a great film. I loved it. I really like the acting, the script. It's fun. It's simple. It's just over an hour and a half, so it's not a huge film, but it's fun to watch. It takes the edge off real life dystopia. It's not too much mirroring what is happening in real life, but it's another warning. So, thanks for watching this review. Please like if you like it. Thanks for subscribing, and please hit that notification. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.